plantation.
Apples.
Maize farm. I don't know whether we will be able to view the place so well.
Apples.
Look at the maize plantation. Ndo zinatoa medhuka. Medhuka inaitwa aje na Kiswahili? Hebu sikieni ndege. Nyonde. Butterflies. Can you see the butterfly? Frank is saying that this place has apples, but I can't see even a tree. What I can see is banana tree. Huku acha niongee polepole. Huwa tunachoma makaa. Can you see the smoke? Tunachomanga makaa, but we are not deforesting the place. Tudogo tu. Sitaki kushauta sinisikie. I can see the smoke over there. And yeah. Okay. You may ask, why am I showing you only the plantation? Here are the settlement areas. You can see someone is building over there. People have built so nice houses. Wow, look at this now. Tu ako na door.
Butterfly.
Tu ako na door. I don't know whether you people can see this house. Well built. This is the modern houses that are being built. Hizi nyumba zinajengwa za kisasa ndo hii. Sijui kama nitaweza kuizoom. Yes. It's a nice place. Yes, you can see. This is where I live. Yeah. Only that we live with nyondes, butterflies, at some point monkeys. Sijui ndo monkey ama ndo chimpanzee. Zinaitwa gima. Gima na guyo. Cietagwo atia andũ aitũ?
Gima.
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 Yes. Hapa hadi kuna saiso. I'm not used to saiso in this place.
Mom,
I thought saiso iko ile side ingine ya Juja Masto. Si tuko Murera. Yes. Junction. Matangi Junction. Oh.
Mom,
Another smart house built over here. Ja. This is us. Unauliza hizi sauti ziko wapi? This is the boy who is seeing monkey and apple tree. Hi, I'm here to hi.
hi.
Sema hi.
Hi.
Hi my people.
Hi.
Love you.